Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs for baby girls. All of these designs are very beautiful, easy to make, beginner friendly and creative and unique, and at the same time they give a elite touch of decency and elegance. So before going to further details, kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Now let's move back towards our main content, which is which type of hand embroidery stitches are these, which type of fabric could be used for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery, and the creativity and beauty and more beneficial perspective of this video collection is that it is tri-dimensional. One is that you can get beautiful ideas of hand embroidery patterns. Second is that these patterns of embroidery could equally be used for machine embroidery. And the third dimension is that you are going to get creative and amazing ideas of cutting, stitching, and styling patterns with respect to tailor aspects. So these are different type of stylized patterns. Now let's move back towards our content. The fabric use could be as per your own choice, as per the weather accordance. You can use it for summer dresses, for winter dresses, and intimate fabrics as well. So the creativity lies beyond the scope of our imaginations in this way. And the embroidery patterns are simple and easy to make with a very beautiful and elegant touch of light and decent color of threads, which give them a more level of royalness. So I would recommend you to do try the patterns and use the exact color combination of threads along with the same fabric color base to get the closer to reality designs which you are seeing onto your screens right now. And with this, allow me to leave. Watch the video to end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy patterns and become a designer of your own. And stay tuned for the new latest upcoming videos on daily basis. We try our best to share creative content with you, and we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic motive and purpose of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share latest designs and creativity. So thank you so much for watching.